So, ladies and gentlemen, we have got our first trip of the day, and welcome back to the another video on this channel. I am Jerry Wayne, and I've recently started driving for Uber. Previous to this, I used to work for a company of finance. I won't say you the name, but I used to work for a company in finance, stock market basically.
Your destination is on the right.
Commerce. Security check, guys. It's Gree. The passenger's name is Gree. Just checking for Gree people. Gree. We are going to wait over here. Let us tell them that we have arrived.
पिकअप है
Commerce 3 lobby.
कॉमर्स 3
Lobby.
ऐसा यू टर्न मार के उधर लगा दीजिए
ठीक है. अच्छा यहाँ से यूट. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are enjoying this. Actually, एक बार लगा देते बैंड की टांग. 7800 Santa Cruz, right? Is there an exit from this left side?
You can take right and go.
Acha, okay.
Head west, then turn right. You're on the fastest route despite unusually
Please
heavy
use
traffic.
rear seat
You
belt
should
for
reach
your
your
safety.
destination by 1424.